Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. This time it is the Samsung S26 Ultra anti-reflecting film that I decided to pick up from their website. So it's a film, it's not a glass screen protector, so it should help protect it from like cracks and scratches and stuff, but it still has the anti-reflective properties that you get on your display with the S26 Ultra. I had it for the S25 and it worked pretty well. In this video, we're going to try to install it on camera, show you how to do it, and then just go over the quality of it. But here's the box. Normal Samsung box. I think you get two in here. Yeah, and this is the film. So if you mess up on one, you have another one here. There's one, and there's two. And then in here, if you open the top, you have the little helping guide there. You have you have instructions. You know what we do that? Just throw it to the side. Then we have a squeegee, microfiber cloth, dust removal. Really no wipes or anything, so good luck with that. So first thing you want to do is turn off your phone. I kind of cheated, I already did. So here's a guide. You want to take off this little sticker too, because your phone is going to stick like this. Bam. And what I would do is take your cloth, wipe your phone down, you know, normal installation stuff. Take a dust remover, get all the little bunnies off of there. I like to call them dust bunnies. Bam. Then you take your film here, open it up, and it says 1. So we're going to take this off. So that helps it stick to the phone, and then you just kind of line this up. Rub that there so it helps you stick to your screen. And number 2, you kind of want to fold this back some, just like this. Get as much bubbles out as you can. All right. Then you can do the same thing here. Take this off, flip it back, kind of get it started a little bit. Okay, it's gonna troll me. There we go. Something like that too. Make sure you have all your bubbles out. If you have any little bubbles too, they will come out within 24 hours unless you have little dust bunnies. But then what you can do is take this off. And I do have some bubbles. Let's see if I can work them out. Especially at the ends there. Take this off. So you take that off. I do have bubbles on there, I'm not gonna lie, but they should disappear within 24 hours if you can't get them out. Bubbles are the worst though, because you want them to come out right away. But that was not bad. I have a little cutout for the camera there. Let's see how it works. And then yeah, you don't have it's not a tempered glass screen protector. So, but it doesn't feel bad though. If you don't drop your phone a lot, this should help you with scratches on it. And like I said, just give it time. The bubbles will disappear. And then the yeah, look at that. That keeps, it's not, I mean, I got big lights on over me right now, and it's not as I mean, yeah, that's pretty good. And then it goes pretty close to the edge there. I mean, there's a little gap, but I think that's for just fitting cases on there. But overall, not bad. Yes, I still have a bubble. I have a couple of them. But for the anti-reflectness, that actually is not bad. And let's see, let's check out the fingerprints, because that one, if you have to re-register them, you can definitely re-register your fingerprints. But mine works. Yeah, it works good. I just like the anti-reflectness, if that's a word. I mean, because it's pretty good. I mean, you still have some, it's just like a regular display, but it's not as bad as some of the other ones. So, if y'all want to pick up this anti-reflecting film, you can definitely do so. It actually works. It's going to protect you, like I said, from scratches and everything like that. A big drop, yes, it probably will break or crack your screen, but if you like keep coins in your pocket, keys, if you mess it up, it should help you with scratches too. So if you want to pick it up, look in the links in the below. I will have them in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.